Hey! Welcome to another edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And I am doing an amazing, stupendous, fabulous, crazily good recipe. On a special occasion, you're gonna make this recipe and people are gonna try it and they're gonna go nuts. And it's called Dirty Shrimp Scampi. I am the creator, the Dirt Man, created this recipe. I live in the Baltimore area. We have Little Italy. And I love Little Italy, and one of the recipes I like to get there is shrimp scampi. And I tried it once, I loved it, and I said I'm going to try to perfect it, and I think I have. So let's get started. All right, here's the ingredients for this great recipe for the dirty shrimp scampi. We've got the olive oil. I like the extra virgin. We've got the garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like. We have the margarine, or you can use butter. We have some beautiful 16, 20 count shrimp. We have some Vidalia onions, but you can use regular white onions, a tomato, black pepper, grated Parmesan cheese. We've got the original dirt, the Chesapeake dirt, and the Bayou dirt. What? Yes, I'm using all three seasonings on here. We've got the linguine, and this recipe is on page 37 of the Let's Get Dirty cookbook. And who created this recipe again? So we're gonna do 1/8 cup. What the recipe says of olive oil. I guess that's 1/8 cup. And we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the tablespoons of the butter. We're gonna let that melt. Mainly what we're doing here right now is we're trying to get the liquid part done for this recipe. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons. Actually, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the original dirt. That's 1. That's 2. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of the Chesapeake dirt. 1.5 tablespoons of the Bayou dirt. We're going to be cuckoo for Bayou. We're going to do some black pepper. Do 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper in here. And then we mix. Alright, now we got this thing back up to heat again. Alright. Oh my gosh, how does it smell, Josh?
It smells great.
It smells amazing in here. So we got the linguine over here cooking. That's almost done. So now we're going to add the onions. We're going to cook these onions for about 2 minutes. Alright, onions have been cooking now 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 16 ounces of the medium large shrimp, the 16, 20 count shrimp. Now, I failed to mention that you could also do scallops. Mix up the shrimp. Only going to take a couple minutes. And now we are going to add the tomatoes in here. Alright, this is now ready to go. We took the linguine out. I am going to put that right here in the bowl. Alright, we put the linguine in the bowl. Now we're going to take the Parmesan, the grated Parmesan. Put that already in there. We're going to put this right on top. Oh yeah. Oh my God. And then pretty much with the Parmesan, I do it to however way I like it. Recipe, we do have it underneath if you want to check that out. Alright, look at that. Let's try this. Oh my God. That was so good. So amazing. You're gonna love it. Make this for the person you love, and they're gonna be so happy. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Hey, please subscribe. Please tell all your friends and family about this, about these videos. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.